This shit don't know what they want to do. California is like a Latina, bro. This shit bipolar. Is heading to the shop right now. Possibly the Z might be good to go, and then probably throw it on the dyno just for like 1 or 2 pulls just to dial it in. I really don't like putting my car on the dyno because that shit always like fucking sucks in hot ass air. Obviously my wastegates don't go out through the exhaust. When the car's stationary on the dyno, it has 2 open dumps right next to the turbo, so that shit just sucks in hot ass air. So the dyno never reads like what my car actually makes. That's why I never really cared to put it on the dyno. But the dyno is a little bit safer than doing street pulls. This boy Robin got a new little toy, fully built. Is that a Tomei fucker? So this is pretty sick. Race car boys.
What's up about the fucking valve seal bag or something? No, the valve seal bag. They smell the oil.
Well, yep, they got everything done, so we should be good. So, gonna full send tune this shit and see what happens. Make it or break it.
I'm gonna go grab it.
So, yes.
Do you need extra banana?
Yes. So we went ahead and threw it outside. When I used to dyno my car, I actually used to throw it outside because obviously the air temperature is way cooler out here versus being inside that little ass box. So helps out with the car. This one doesn't really matter because he has fucking top mount, so full send. Alright guys, so this is like the best car right here. I beat Fresh Kicks about 10 times. You know, it's pretty clean. Got my Barra stones over here. No, I'm just kidding, they're Volks. I mean, I want to race Fresh Kicks, but he won't give me the 10 cars I'm asking for. But this thing over here is pretty clean.
Oh, yeah. So people are like, yo, did you go 650, 720? I was like, bro, they're gonna be
Is that Rob?
caught slipping.
Yeah, I stole your camera. My boy Anthro pulled up with the E30. This shit hard. That shit looks saucy.
Come on, Jordan.
Vibes. Well, yeah, 370 down.
See some fucking smoke?
Definition of full sin was tonight. Oh man, I gotta put some sad music in this. So basically what happened, yeah, too much boost. Way too much boost. Damn, my G. Take a selfie? Look at him there taking a selfie. That's how real men break their car, you know, fuck it, shit happens. So yeah, so the boost gauge stops at 35 pounds and you can't read nothing over that, obviously. And yeah, this shit boosted over 40 pounds and blew the head gasket, so. Shit happens, my G.
smoke some weed? Hey, Adrian was held together.
Yeah, fuck, 40 plus pounds of fucking didn't shoot a rod or nothing. Just a little head gasket, nothing big. That's just crazy. Damn, G.
We didn't even use the nitrous yet.
You didn't spray it?
No, I wasn't even spraying. We keep turning down the boost. You have too much boost.
Hey, the engine took it though. Fuck it.
In this case, because right now, by the way how it sounds like, it's probably not just had the gasket. I think the stock sleeve cracked. There's too much pressure in there.
Yeah, that's just crazy. So that shit boosted like 40, 45 pounds with that huge ass turbo. Nuts.
What's up, bro? You up next?
I'm up next. Now it's time to fuck this one up. George is over here hating now because his shit fucked up. He wants me to full send boost mine. He wants me to go 40 pounds and shit just because his shit blew up.
6 hours later.
Sheesh. 5 hours later, literally. We out here. 2 o'clock in the morning on Dyno, man. 1 car down, 1 more car to go.
Of boring math later.
Alright, so like I predicted, this car does not like the dyno due to the location. With the booster performance kit, I'm probably like one of the only people actually running this amount of boost on it. Most of the guys using it are using just stock block. Basically, like I was saying, both of my wastegates sit right next to the turbo, so obviously if the car is stationary, it's not moving, it's dumping all that hot air and the turbo is just going to suck it up. Basically, I'm just going to turn the boost up gradually on the street and just see how it goes from there. This car has always been pretty much a street tuned car. As you guys seen, after the very first pull, the headers were already glowing. I actually don't have an exhaust temperature gauge on this car, so I have no idea what my exhaust temp is. What the fuck, is it raining, bruh? Oh, hell no. Wow, so it's actually sprinkling right now, so I can't even go test this shit. If I left the kit how it comes, I'll probably do a little bit better on the dyno, because obviously the wastegates are going out the exhaust. But since I chopped them, I have open dump now. Alright, so I was gonna pull into the gas station, but there's 2 cops sitting there. So I'm definitely not gonna pull into there. I'm taking my ass home. I ran out of gas before I pull in that motherfucker. Sorry. My boy, I activated Prius mode. I seen the top of the cruiser, I was like, nope. That's 1. And there's 2. Tomorrow, if it's not raining, then we'll be able to turn it up some more. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, ladies and gents. Today is gonna be the final test and see what the boost does on the street. It's sunny out, no rain, no wetness. So let's see what happens. I need to go throw some gas in here. inconsistent. Like sometimes it'll boost more, sometimes it won't. I don't know. I'm over it. It'll sometimes peak a little bit more than what it was doing before, but it's pretty much not really like maintaining any more boost. I mean, it's maybe doing like 1 or 2 pounds more, but it's really nothing. It's pretty much almost feels the same. I don't think we're gonna get any more power out of this kit. 1, the intake piping is kind of small. I can't make it any bigger. 2, there's too much intake piping. 3, the turbo is not that big, so I'm probably maxing this turbo out around 26, 25 pounds. Pretty much just feel like with this kit, I'm not really gonna get any more out of it. It just won't maintain more boost, so fuck it. It is what it is. I was looking to do 30 pounds plus, man. That shit would have been sick. But yeah, I mean, I think at night it just peaked 30 because it was cold. So obviously when it's colder, your car is gonna do a little bit more boost. Alright, so I put a different boost controller. I'm trying to test this one out just to see if it's the kit or the boost controller. And that shit hit over 40 pounds, so I know the boost controller works. It's just my kit, it's just it won't do it. Oh god damn, it smells right here. Oh my god. Oh shit. You guys need to experience that. Oh my Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Oh hell no. And maintains like 26, 27 for a second, but then it just drops back down to 22. So I'm pretty sure just the kit is just maxed out. So sick. So we have some good news. Definitely looks like the water pump is going to be leaking. When you get a leak right there, 9 times out of 10 that's the water pump. Awesome. You guys see how I drive this car. This is not a new build whatsoever. It's definitely time for another build. There's really no point in trying to full send this anymore. Most likely I'm gonna do a custom single turbo kit. I'm not gonna use this kit anymore. The mid mount is cool for like stock block or lower power. When you're trying to make like 800 plus, this kit is just really not the best for that. Intake temps get hot, exhaust temps get hot, so it's just not too well of a kit for trying to go high horsepower. Might be down for a few months, but definitely it's gonna make a hard comeback. Like I said, we have some sick plans as far as the motor build and the turbo kit. I have some other plans as far as the cosmetic, so fuck it, it is what it is. I'm actually gonna just try to focus on the G. So yeah, we have hella work to do on this. Like I said, we still gotta tube the whole front end. Intake piping, exhaust piping. We have to make a custom exhaust manifold, whole 9. So a lot of work to do on that. But I'm stoked, man. I can't wait. Can't wait. People probably be like, "Who's man's bringing fresh ass kicks in the shop?" Actually, this is the beaters. I have a dead stock pair at the house. This shit, he blew his head gasket or cracked the sleeve. This shit hit like 45 pounds with this turbo. Ow, that fucking zip tie is sharp as fuck. Oh. So yeah, we got a bunch of broken cars around here. It is what it is, man. Bro, this shit sucks. This is gonna be a whack ass week, bro. Check this out. What? Rain, 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 rain. So since we're gonna have this shitty ass rainy weather, obviously I'm not gonna be doing anything car related. Z's gonna be down. All I got is a Q right now. Why the fuck is this guy riding my ass? Damn, I hate when people do that shit. And the only reason I'm not gonna brake check you is because I like my car. Bitch. Don't do it. Old ass. Cool. About to go get some canes, man, and I'm sad. I want some chicken. It sucks, man. We didn't make it out to Texas. Obviously, shit didn't go as planned, so it is what it is. But honestly, I'm hella glad that we figured out shit going wrong with the car now versus when we first got out there. I would have been pissed if I didn't get any races in and shit and drove all the way out there. Yeah, it would have been all bad. But like always, man, appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated with the G35 RB20 sizzle swap. That's going to be epic, man. Legendary. I can't wait till that's done. On that note, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.